Hi guys, it's Eva. How are you? So today I will show you an amazing and eye-catching site like this, alright? Before we begin, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the link below the video to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business, alright? So now let me show you something that is super new today. This is our Symphony LED letters. Super eye-catching, right? Maybe you would think it's very expensive, but actually it's very cost-effective and popular in the United States, making your site more special and attract more customers. So I think that's what you truly want. Imagine what it would feel like to such a cool and super amazing site to hang up in your store. Not every site factory will have such a wealthy of exhibition experience and such a complete supply chain, right? If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that right now, guys. Hit the like button and comment down below. That's really important for us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.